Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do a review and demo on the Smashbox Covershot Ablaze eyeshadow palette. If you haven't watched my recent haul video, then please check it out. I also swatched each and every eyeshadow from this palette in that video and the link is right here. So this palette is in collaboration with Shay Mitchell. If you don't know who she is, then please Google her. She is gorgeous. They came up with 7 eyeshadow palettes and one of them is Ablaze, which I purchased. And the other eyeshadow palettes are from the family of Nude, and then Smoky, and then Bold, and so on. Ablaze is a warm-toned eyeshadow palette. When I walked in Sephora and I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh. It was actually love at first sight. I just couldn't take my eyes off of this palette, and I still can't. And if you're into warm eyeshadows and you like warm eyeshadows like I do, then you're gonna love this palette. When I saw the packaging, I was like, wow. It was holographic, it was fun, and it reminded me of my childhood days when we used to carry those small pencil boxes, the holographic ones, and the scales or the rulers were holographic, and the cover of a storybook was holographic like a fairy tale. I was like, oh my gosh. So the packet actually looks like this, and this is a cardboard open window packaging, and you can see the shade right in here. At the back you can actually see what colors are there inside the palette. Then you see this holographic thing. It is magic and it's so beautiful. I can do this the entire day. You cannot open it in any other way except for this tiny little, what do you call it? Tiny little carving out here. You just have to put in your nail and then open it. This was kind of a little bit hard, but it's okay. So when you open it, you see a mirror, and this mirror is super sharp. I mean, this mirror is a quality mirror they gave. And then you've got all these shades. It has 8 shades, 2 larger ones on top and 6 smaller ones. And they're both matte and shimmery. And it's got a variety of shades, like from lighter tones to deeper tones. Now, coming to the review of the eyeshadows. If you've seen my haul video where I do swatches of this palette, I was not super impressed with this palette. Some of the swatches were coming out to be chalky and I was not really impressed. And I was really worried if this eyeshadow palette was worth buying. When I tried this palette today on my eyes, I was super impressed, like blown out by how good and how pigmented and how velvety and how blendable these eyeshadows are. I just forgot to use this eyeshadow today. This is called Relax on my eyelids. I should have probably applied Relaxed all over my eyelid and then apply the other eyeshadow without applying any primer. I was super impressed with the eyeshadow palette. Coming to the colors, this is Relaxed and this one is more of a soft, peachy, champagne-y, almost milky matte color. This one is Mocassin. Mocassin is a soft coppery color, and this one has a frosted finish. Siesta, which is this one, is a rose gold coppery shade and it is a beautiful color. Nirvana, which is this one, is a reddish berry color, which is a matte finish. Next color is Delirious, which is a medium dark coppery brown shade, and this one has a frosted sheen to it. Next one is Torch. This one right here is one of my favorite colors in the palette, and this one is a orangey golden shimmer. And next color is this one. This one is called Throwback, and this is a muted dark brown with warm red undertone, and this one is a matte finish. Next is Dark Horse. This one is a deep brown and this one is a matte finish. And now let's get started with the demo. Here we go. So I've already got my base done and I'm gonna start with my eyes. So the first shade I'm gonna take is Throwback, which is a warm brown color, and I'm gonna put it in the crease of my eyes. Taking the shade Nirvana, which is a beautiful pinky burgundy color, I'm also going to put it in the crease of my eyes and deepen up the crease for more depth. Amazing. I don't know which color to put. It can make or break my eyeshadow look. I'm confused between Siesta and Torch. I need a moment here. I'm going to take this colored torch and I'm going to put it in the inner third of my eyelids. If you apply it with your fingers, I feel the pigmentation is a little bit more than when you apply with a brush. I'm going to put Siesta in the inner third of my eyes. Now I'm going to take the shade Moccasin and put it in the inner corners of my eyes and also on my brow bone. And now I'm going to take the shade Dark Horse and put it in the outer corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to take Torch and apply it in the lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the shade Delirious and I'm going to apply it in the lower lash line. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, apply mascara and apply a pair of falsies, and I'll be right back. So let's do the pros and cons. I love the packaging because it is small and compact and it is travel friendly and you can just keep it in your purse and travel, and most importantly it is not bulky. It's also got a very good quality mirror, and the other thing I love about it is it's got a variety of tones, like from light tones to deeper tones and from mattes to shimmers. Cons, I think there's just one. It's just the price. It's really not a pocket-friendly product for many of us. Would I suggest it? Would I recommend it? Hell yes. I definitely would recommend it because I personally love this palette and the formulation of the eyeshadows. I love everything about this palette. However, if you're in a budget, you can try the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. It has got similar colors and it has got 10 eyeshadows for the quarter of the price. So Wet n Wild eyeshadows are priced at $4.99 each. The eyeshadow colors are not exactly the same, but similar. So guys, we've reached the end of the tutorial. So guys, we've reached the end of the video and I hope you liked it. If you like it, you know what to do. Hit the like button, share it, and comment on this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget about the bell icon so that you're the first one to be notified whenever I upload any new video. Also, watch my other videos. I've got a ton of tutorials for you. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle!